Listen, y'all, my husband have the best scrumptious fat ass. I just want to squeeze them and slap them every time I walk past.
My little.
I'm so short. I look like a 16-year-old.
Yeah, you're 16.
Do that again. Alright. Hi guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
You have something special for good night?
You have something special for good night?
Dancing for the good night. Hi guys.
I'm always dancing.
Good afternoon to
you guys. Before we get into this video is a collab, which I have been wanting to do a collab with this YouTuber since the very first time I actually met her on YouTube. The name of her channel is Casa Toth. Her name is Rudy. I love her so much. And her husband name is Joel. She have two beautiful boys. Her name is Noah, which Noah and Tyler is kind of on the same age. I guess that's why we kind of connect. And she recently have a new baby boy by the name of Elam, which is so adorable and look exactly like his papa. Sorry girl, I know what you're feeling, because Tyler don't look nothing like me.
It looks like
nothing like me. It looks everything like baby. Anyway, you guys, we're excited to do this collab with my girl and her husband. They're adorable. After you guys finish watching this video, please go ahead and click the link in the comment section, and it's also in the description box. Go over to Rudy's channel, to Casa Toth, and tell her that the Delavos, tell her that Melissa sent you and show her all the love. They also do pranks, they do challenges, they do vlogs, and you guys love us. I'm sure you will love them, so show them all the love and tell them that we sent you. Anyway, by the title of this video, then you guys will know what exactly this video is going to be about. So of course, we're going to jump right into it, and we have 10 questions that we're going to do. So babe and I are going to answer both questions based off whatever the question is. So we are excited again to do this collab with you, girl, and hopefully one day I'll finally get to meet you in person. Anyway, love you mama, and we're going to jump right into this video. So you ready?
okay.
Anyway, you guys, baby's ready, and you guys know that baby's not much of a talker.
No, I'm an answerer.
All right, so let's go. I have the questions right here, so let's see which question is gonna be question number 1. I should have labeled them, but I'm just gonna do them as they are. What is my worst habit? And what is your worst habit? I'm going to go ahead and answer this one first. What is babe's worst habit that annoys the hell out of me every single time? Is babe asks me, how am I doing 100 times for the day? What's your worst habit?
But that won't change.
Babe will just walk in the house and say, honey, how are you? What happened? It's what? Yeah, we're talking to the faves. Take him up. I guess Tyler wants to see the faves. Somebody want to see the faves? You want to see the faves? Say hi, guys. How are y'all doing?
Going and going. watching your tablet yet.
Good job. All right, go watch your tablet so Mama and Papa can get to finish filming, okay? Go watch your tablet. Go watch Steve and Maggie.
Ali.
Go and sit, okay? So Babe's worst, I was saying before Tyler interrupted, that Babe's worst habit is asking me how I'm doing 100 times for the day. Babe, are you okay? He went out the room and then come back. Babe, are you okay? Honey, you just asked me how am I doing 2 seconds ago.
Sorry, because you. Okay, that's also one of a habit that hard to stand. If she change her mind every 5 minutes. Like one day, 1 second she's up, the next second she's down, and sometimes she look down but she's not down. That's something that I can't.
It's a black woman thing.
I can't. So why you do that? Let me out. Let me enjoy my day. She's gonna say something she knows.
Papa, stop.
Okay.
Okay, Tyler, we
Yeah,
stop.
referee. So that's the thing. That's
So my worst habit is
up and down.
mood swings.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
All right.
It's hard for me, cause your mood make my mood swing too.
No.
So it's hard.
Sorry, babe. But that's just how I am. But sometimes I'm not mad. I just get silent and be in my zone.
Yeah.
But I'm not mad.
Okay.
Yes. I got my mood swings.
Okay. So that's why I,
I can't
asked you
deny
how
that.
are you. That's why I asked you how are you.
Well, I guess that makes sense. I guess that makes sense. All right, you guys. Question number 2 is, what do we argue about the most? I wouldn't say we argue. We don't really argue, but I'm gonna tell you what we bicker about the most. Even today, babe and I bicker about it. Let me tell you what he likes to do. I guess this would also fall under habits. Babe will eat and leave his yogurt container and all the bones from his food in the plate and carry it and put it in the kitchen, on the kitchen counter, and the bin is right here, and he will not scrape out his plate and put it in the bin. Honey, why do you do that? Why do you do that?
Because
And
when
we
I do that,
bicker
I
about
just
it every time. Tell her what does to stop talking.
Because when I do that, I just plan to, for example, I'm cleaning the living room. Okay, I take the things from the living room, put it in the kitchen, come back to the living room. I say, okay, we'll come back to the kitchen soon. And just go in the kitchen at this moment.
I don't want to see it. It's in the bin. The bin is just right there. What do you think that would bicker about the most?
It's right.
About your hair. About your hair.
What about my hair?
If I do that to your
Don't
hair,
touch
see?
my hair.
You see?
Don't. That is so true.
That's it?
That is true.
That's what I just wanted to do
no,
that.
no.
That's cool.
Don't touch
Okay.
I don't want him to touch my hair. You never touch my hair. Don't
Okay.
do it.
Okay.
And he loves to touch it.
And then I get
especially-
mad.
Okay, baby, we'll stop. Okay. Especially when I just do my hair like now, he'll come and he'll move it, and I try to explain to babe that babe can do this to his hair and it goes back into the position. All right, guys, the next question is,
Don't love before.
what was our last argument over the same thing? Scraping out his plates into the bin.
Yeah, you call that
and
argument.
touch-
1 minute talking. That's not argument.
I don't think we really argue.
No, I'm not. I'm never mad. I'm never mad.
What have I ever gotten you that you didn't like? What gift have I ever gotten you that
Oh.
you didn't like? And the question is for me too. What gift have you ever gotten me that I didn't like? Moment of truth. Let me go.
Yeah, so I
Let
can
me go
think.
first. Let me go. I don't want you to feel bad, okay? I'm not...
What kind of question is that?
Wait.
Okay,
Wait,
so
wait,
it's
wait,
1
wait.
minute for the answer and 1 minute for the explanation. I see that coming. Okay.
I'm not saying this to hurt your feelings because everything that you might mean a lot to me.
Okay.
But last Christmas, you know, on Christmas you're expecting nice gifts, and because I think he knows me very well, I was expecting a gift that he got me. He got me a pants for work, and I was so boiling and mad inside, and got me a top for work that I already have, but he just got me in a different color.
Yeah, but
I'm like, babe,
it's not
you
only for
really got
work.
this for me?
You can get that for, it's like a pretty top.
I already have one like that.
Okay.
So I wouldn't say I didn't like it, but the moment was right for it. I'm sorry, honey.
That's okay, that's okay.
What have I gotten you that you didn't like? If I didn't got you anything that you didn't like,
No. It's just, it's the same. You talk about, you get me like a shaver, and it's like things. Okay,
Oh,
it's
so
like,
you didn't like it?
no, I like it, but I mean, for Christmas you get me a shaver. It's like if you get me a soap or things like this.
But what else I'm supposed to get you for Christmas? You're a man. That's a male gift for Christmas.
Okay, it's like if I get you a brush, a brush, you be. It's like work things. It's like work things.
So you didn't like it?
No, just justify that my work thing is not that bad. You get me a sweet, you get me a pants and a jacket.
The question says,
happy.
no, the question says, what did I got you that you didn't
I don't know.
like?
I don't know, because I
I always
like
got
every.
you
No.
good gifts.
I like every little gift. I like every little gift. They are wow, so I enjoy it. It doesn't matter what it is, it's come from your heart, so I like it. So I can't answer, I don't have any things coming to my mind.
Okay. The next question is, what is the last text message I sent you? And what is the last text message you sent me? Last text message babe sent me was, Tyler did with laugh. What's the last text message I sent you?
On my way home.
Okay, well, see guys, nothing freaky.
Yeah, just daily message. We like to tell to each other, for example,
Updates throughout the day.
Right.
Question says, have you ever lied to me to avoid getting in trouble with me? Have you ever lied about something to avoid getting in trouble with me? Because you know I'm going to be mad about something, so you lied?
No.
You have that smirk on your face.
No, because have you ever lied? Have you ever lied? Yes,
no, answer the question.
That's why I say no.
Don't stray from the question.
That's why I say no. Not to be in trouble, no.
Have I ever lied to not get in trouble with you? No, I don't need to lie.
Nothing like.
If I'm gonna get in trouble, I just get in trouble, okay? Okay, next question. Who is the funniest of the two?
It's me. You're not funny at all.
The shade is real. But it's true. Babe is so funny. You guys, I tell him every day that in his next life he needs to return as a comedian, as a clown. This man makes me laugh 24/7, and that's something I really love about you, babe.
Thank you.
Yeah, no. Okay, next question is, what is something that I cannot live without, and what is something you can't live without?
Oxygen.
Hmm?
Oxygen. Are you talking like a?
Yes.
Like a.
What something you can't live without?
Phone, you can't live with your
I
phone.
cannot live without my phone. Yeah, that's true.
24/7.
My phone. I have to check my YouTube. I have to check my Instagram. I have to talk to my friends. I have to check social media. I have to keep up with the happenings. What's something you can't live without, babe?
I'm not talking about you or Ty.
Hey.
I really don't know. You are Thai, but otherwise I don't. No, I just adjust to the situation. I'm okay.
Yeah, he's kind of laid back. He doesn't have one setting that he can't do without
I
me.
don't.
Lord knows my phone is my problem. Hey, guilty. Our next question is, what is my best physical trait? What is babe's best physical trait?
Well,
For me, I think I have more than one. I'm answering the question already, so let me continue. Or you want to answer first?
I answer first.
Go ahead. What is
Well,
my
the
best
first
physical
is always I'm always talking about the face.
So you're all up in my grill.
The face. But if I have to say part of your body, I'm gonna say your ass too. But otherwise, the face. Yeah, I'm not the type of person gonna say your finger. That's bullshit. I like your hand.
Babe,
I like
best
it.
physical trait.
I like your
You guys. Idiot. Babe, best physical trait, you guys, believe it or not, is his ass. And I think he knows it. Listen, y'all. My husband have the best scrumptious fat ass. I just want to squeeze them and slap them every time I walk past, and he knows it.
She gonna make me mad.
Yeah, he have a fat ass. Like he live in the gym. I don't know where my husband get this ass from. So Tyler gonna get double dose.
She knows that I don't live in the gym.
And he doesn't work out much, so. But he have naturally fat ass. I think is a gene from his mom, because his mom's side of family, his mom, his sisters, the ass are good. A babe ass, oh, sexy. I can talk about his ass all day. All right, you guys, next question. Oh, that was the last one.
Did you find a new one?
Yeah. Okay, you guys, so that's the last question. I thought I had more. I was really into it.
You want to see me blush too.
It was just 10 questions, and Rudy and Joel will also be doing 10 questions. Don't forget Casa Toth. That's the name of their channel. Go over and show Rudy and Joel all the love. Subscribe to our channel, and if you're coming over from Casa Toth, welcome to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and tell us if you would love to see more of these videos. We love you guys. Anything you have to say, babe?
We love you guys.
Give this video a
thumbs up
and
subscribe
and
comment.
Hey, why you and
catch up and give up.
Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
In the next video.
in the next video. Bye guys.